Hello class of Video Game Evolution, I'm Brian Rivero, and I will be making my video game arcade video about the House of the Dead. I will first show you gameplay footage and then talk about the technical stuff about the assignment. Let's go!
Others are still inside. Save them.
Help!
They're inside. Help them. Sophie?
Logan, it's you!
Nobody leaves here alive.
Sophie! Thank you. That voice!
Help! Help!
Sophie, are you okay?
I was so scared!
Sophie!
You must stop Curian, or else something terrible will happen.
Sophie!
As you could see in the gameplay, you will notice that the House of the Dead is a real shooter arcade game like many other classic games from the golden age of arcade machines. Also, despite its age, the game's graphics managed to convey a gloomy and spooky feeling to the player and hold up very well today for a game from the 90s. And I say this being a millennial who plays so many modern games left and right. Only one game of this style that comes to my mind to compare is the on-rail shooters called Jurassic Park from 1994. One thing I have to say is that the main characters are made in a simple way, but with an intention in mind for the gameplay. Less talk and more action. The action is prioritized here, and the plot is relegated to the background. Let's talk about the scenarios of the game for a moment. In this game, the scenarios are so well crafted that give you a feeling of being in a haunted place, but at the same time, being grounded in the real world. All this effect is achieved thanks to good use of graphics, soundtrack, and ambience. Take the PS1 Resident Evil game as a reference. In the House of the Dead, the feeling is similar to playing Resident Evil according to its scenarios, being in a mansion. Finally, let's talk about the scoring system. In the game, every time you save a scientist, you are rewarded at the end with extra lives for saving a specific amount of people. Also, the game evaluates you according to your aim and the number of enemies killed and circuit objects collected. If you want to experience this game, download the emulator called ROM Station and download it on the arcade version. I know you will enjoy it as much as I did.